Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix camera not focusing issue on iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max series. So guys, if you're expressing a camera not focusing issue on your iPhone 15 series, then you can try some troubleshooting steps to resolve the problem. First of all, you have to clean the camera lens and surrounding area. Sometimes dirt, fingerprint, or smudge gas on the camera lens or near the lens can cause focusing issue. Use a microfiber cloth or a lens cleaning solution to gently clean the camera lens and the area around it. After cleaning the lens, then you have to remove any case or accessories. If you are using protector case or accessories that cover the camera lens, remove them and see if the focusing issue persists. Some cases are attachment or the attachment may interfere with the camera ability to focus correctly. After removing case, then you have to restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often resolve minor software glitches that may be affecting the camera. To restart your iPhone, simply tap on your settings, then go back and go to General, tap on Shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone and you are still facing the same issue, then you have to update your iOS. Ensure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Apple often release updating that includes bug fixes and improvement to camera performance. Simply go to your settings, then go to General, then tap on Software Update to check for updates and install any available update on your iPhone 15. After updating your iOS system to the latest version, then you have to check for third-party camera apps. If you are using if you use third-party camera app, try using the built-in camera app to see if the focusing issue is specific to a particular app. If the problem only occurs in one app, it may be related to that app's settings or capabilities. Simply delete that third-party app or uninstalling them can simply solve your problem. After applying this all solution and you're still facing the same issue, then you have to do reset all settings. If the problem persists, you can try resetting all settings on your iPhone. This will reset all settings to their default values but won't erase your personal data. If you go to your settings, then tap on General, tap on Transfer Reset iPhone, tap on Reset all settings, enter your passcode and try to fix your issue. After applying this all solution and you are still facing the same issue, then you have to check for hardware damage. It's possible that there is a hardware problem with the camera itself. Inspect the camera lens for any visible damage or debris that might be blocking the lens. If you suspect hardware damage, it's best to contact Apple support or visit an Apple support or authorized service provider for further assistance. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.